Okay, hi friends. Today we're going to learn about touch math. Ms. Gutsy always calls it touch point math, and you'll see why here shortly. It says, let's have fun with touch math on the screen. And some slides I'm going to skip. So, hi friends, my name is Taryn. I do really good at school, except when it's time for math. But today my teacher taught us a new way to use numbers. It's called touch math. What makes touch math special and fun is that it uses dots. Do you know how to count? Great! Then you'll do awesome with touch math. Here, let me show you. Each number has dots, except 0, of course, because 0 is 0, means nothing, 0. The dots equal either 1 or 2, but we're just going to focus on the ones that mean 1. Okay? A plain dot is worth 1, is equal to 1 unit. It's worth 1 because there's only one dot. The next step is to add the dots to the numbers like these. So they have 1 at each point. Remember, each plain dot is worth 1. How many dots do you see on the number above? Yes, there are 3 dots, so the number is worth 3 units. This is how we count it, by touching each dot. 1, 2, 3. That's why it's called touch math. Okay, your turn. Put your pointer finger in the air and count the dots you see on the number below. Okay, now say it out loud. Was your answer 5? How did you get that answer? Like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Touch math has really helped me to do better at math. I hope it helps you too. Your teacher has a special sheet for you to work on. Let's see how you do. All right, so let's stop that. Let's look at each individual number. Here is the number 1. Notice there's 1 dot on the top of 1. So there's 1 in our 10 frame. 2, there's 2 dots. 1 at the starting and at the end of the number 2. 2 dots in our 10 frame. Okay, the number 3 we've already talked about. 1 at each point. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots in our 10 square. All right, 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 at each point. So 4. And then 5, we've seen also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it doesn't really matter where you put the dot in the middle, just as long as there's 4 dots on your 5. Okay, so let's take a few minutes to look at some examples. So here we have the number 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, there's 1 on the 1 dot. So 1, if I counted all my dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer would be 4, which is right in the middle here. Okay, so let's look at the next one. So 1, 2, 3, plus 2, 1, 2. All my dots are there, so I'm going to count just the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5, so you would circle 5. All right, let's look at a couple more. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't know how to turn my cursor into a pointer. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we would circle the 7. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And circle the 8. All right, I hope this is making sense to you. I'm going to put up a practice worksheet and see how you do today.